Hey everyone, I'm back. Yeah, you see here I'm working on the blue truck. Oh yeah, here's my jack. If you notice, it's got a set of old wheels and tires on it. Yeah, they've seen better days, haven't they? Well, those are just to roll it around in the yard and all, because I went and had new tires put on the wheels. And here they are. These are a, pardon the wind, 255 70R15 Lexani Terrain Beast. I had these put on at Walmart this morning. I ordered these online, then took the wheels and they mounted them for me. And I'm surprised they are a good looking tire for a no-name tire. Sorry, but that's what they are, or a budget tire or whatever. They're actually looking pretty good, and they balanced out. The tech that balanced them for me said they even balanced pretty good. So I mean, they got, you know, significant weight on them, but it's not that bad, and all of them are within, you know, a couple of ounces. So I'd say they look like they might be actually pretty decent tires. There's not very many, I hadn't found any videos on these on YouTube, and so I don't know anything about performance or noise or anything. But we're going to mount them on the blue truck and see how they look and see how they perform. Short little drive, very short because it's almost, I got to put gas in it. Might have a little bit much air in them. I might have to make an adjustment to that, but that's no big deal. Not bad looking at all. Bless the clear coat peeling off of it, but tire's not bad. Yeah, the ones that were on it were well beyond. I'd gotten their last miles out of them, but we'll see how these do anyway. From what I could tell, they had a smooth ride to them. That's the main thing. Well, anyway, a lot has been going on, and I'm planning on getting back into making videos again. But anyway, like I said, there was not many videos on YouTube, or I couldn't find any, on these tires, so I wanted to make something, kind of get the awareness out there about them. Like I said, they look like good tires, but we will see. Okay, well, it's cold, so I'm going back inside. So thanks for watching.